Hi there guys, after working for the past 1 month on this particular project, finally I'm proud to say Paid Ads Success Secret is ready to be launched in less than 24 hours time. Now first and foremost, I would like to show you guys some of the preview of what exactly is inside the course. So first and foremost, you will have things like the introduction of course, then you need to have certain basic knowledge in when it comes to paid ads and how exactly to set up your lenders, the importance of having lenders, the important links that you need to put inside a landing page when you're running paid ads, because running paid ads is very different from running solo ads. All right, you have to abide by certain terms of conditions and terms of usage by all these paid ads platform. Now then I will introduce to you Google Ads and all about Google Ads search campaigns, display ads as well as video ads. Now, of course, I'll be talking about marketing versus remarketing, the importance of remarketing in terms of how do you install all the text for the data collection by using stuff like your Google Ads account, Google Analytics 4, and Google Tag Manager. All right, then of course I'll talk about Microsoft advertising, which is also known as Bing Ads, and accuracy of tracking, whereby I will introduce this third-party tracking software to help you to collect accurate conversions data. Because end of the day, when we are running paid ads, what we want is to optimize our conversions at a minimal cost. And this only can be done when we are feeding the correct, accurate data to our ads platforms such as Google or as well as Microsoft advertising. All right. Then I have some concluding thoughts, so and so forth. Now, in fact, within this particular module, how to install text for data collection and remarketing, there's like 10 plus videos over here. All right, things like why are remarketing ads so important, what are the Chrome extensions to actually download, the relationships between GA4, GTM, and as well as your Google Ads account, how to actually add the Google Ads remarketing tag via GTM, adding your Google Ads conversion tag tracking via GTM, so and so forth. All right, so this entire Paid Ads Success Secrets will cover everything you need to know in terms of maximizing your returns on investments on the Google Ads platform as well as Microsoft advertising platform. Now, in fact, in one of the introduction videos, I will also talk about why Paid Ads Success Secrets, I do not talk about Facebook ads. Okay, there are certain restrictions when it comes to Facebook ads, and there are certain unpleasant experience that I do not wish my members of Paid Ads Success Secrets to experience. Okay, so in less than 24 hours time, I will actually put a link below the video again, all right, for you to access Paid Ads Success Secrets. And just to let you guys know, from the launch time until 1st of June, all right, until 1st of June, I will open up 5 slots, okay, 5 discounted slots. Paid Ads Success Secrets is going for USD 497, which is the same as Email Marketing Success Secrets. But for these 5 discounted slots, I'm offering a $200 discount. Now, please bear in mind that these 5 slots is not just open for you guys in my Facebook group, because I'll also be doing email blasts once this entire course is being launched. And the results from my email blast usually is I can get the sales pretty fast. All right, so if you are really interested in Paid Ads Success Secrets, grab yourself a copy before these 5 slots end. All right, guys, I'll see you again tomorrow when I officially launch this program. Take care.